Dr. Chris Arnold here from Live Well Chiropractic and Wellness Center, where our goal is to build happier, healthier, stronger families through the most natural way possible. What we want to do is share with you a little bit of insight into some specific nutrients that are essential to get you through the winter months. What you put in your body can make a big difference as far as your overall health output. And I want to share with you what's in my toolbox that I will never leave home without during the winter months. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential to stay healthy and well. It's our sunshine vitamin. We do not get enough of it throughout the winter months. 90% of the people that live in Pennsylvania are vitamin D deficient, and especially during the winter months in January and February. That's also one of the biggest boosters to your immune system, is when your vitamin D is actually at its optimal level. It's extremely healthy for your body. The next thing I want to talk to you about is our echinacea. Echinacea is one of my favorite herbs. I take echinacea actually year-round, and it keeps my immune system at a high level. We see lots of sick people that come to our office, and we encourage them to do so. And the reason why I very rarely ever get even a sniffle is because I take echinacea on a daily basis. It's that powerful, and it really helps your immune system really stay at an optimal level. The other product that I really love is this Immune Balance Sinus. It's a product that actually has an herb in it called Berbear. And it's one of the most natural decongestants. It actually breaks up sinus congestion throughout your sinuses, so they can open up and drain and you feel much better. This is one of our top selling products. It really helps people get healthy. It does not make you feel tired. It does not affect your heart medication. It really is super powerful, super effective. Even people who have sinus and allergy issues can use it instead of some of their sinus medications. It gets extremely good results and stuff. So those are just three components. We also have a lot of other specific nutrients. We have one that's really nice for viruses and for flu that really knocks the flu out very quickly. So what you put in your body, it really can make a big difference. And that's what we're here for, to help out and actually feed your body what it's really lacking. So if you're looking for another angle and tired of feeling not as well, getting sick very often, or just tired of taking antibiotics and looking for another approach, definitely give us a call. We'd love to check out and figure out why your immune system is weak. If one of these products or another product is really right and specific for you, we'd love to help you out. So just click on the information below, fill it out, and we would love to get in contact with you, see how we can help you.